Hi, I'm JD from Kajabi in 5 minutes, and this video is all about Kajabi's promotion that they are opening up right now today. They are doing 3 months for $99. This is Kajabi's most popular promotion. It starts right now, and this video is going to be all about the details, how you can get it, and how you can maximize the bonuses that they're going to be giving you, and all that good stuff. So stick around, here it comes. Before I get into the exciting details about this promotion and the bonuses that you can get for signing up right now, I want you to know that I'm a member of Kajabi's partner program. So if you sign up for Kajabi and this promotion with my link, then I do receive a commission. It's no extra expense to you, but it is extra income to me and helps to support my business. So I want you to know that, and I do appreciate it if you do choose to sign up for this promotion through one of my links. Now, Kajabi has done this before, and it's been very popular, and they're doing it again now, but they're adding to it. So the promotion is running from right now today until May 23rd. And over the course of these 4 or 5 weeks, I think it is, Kajabi is going to have a bonus pegged on every Friday. And you can get the details about these bonuses in the description. Now, there's going to be a new bonus released each Friday. And if you sign up for the promotion, like today, then you'll get each of those Friday bonuses. If you sign up in a couple weeks, then you'll miss out on those first couple, but you'll get the ones afterwards. So basically, every time you pass a Friday that there's a promotion posted, if you have signed up for this deal, again, 3 months of Kajabi for $99, then you'll also receive the bonus that was posted on that Friday, which is really cool. So again, check out what those are. I'll keep the description updated as the details about those get released. Now, aside from that, I mentioned I am a member of Kajabi's partner program. And so I also give people who sign up for Kajabi through one of my referral links bonuses. I give one-on-one support over Voxer to help you basically flatten the learning curve of Kajabi. So if you've got a question about what it is, you can just message me and I'll just message you back. It's a really direct communication, and it's a great way to get specific answers completely relevant just to your exact question and situation. So as much as I love putting videos out there on YouTube, I don't know exactly the questions you're asking, and so it's hard to answer them. But with this Voxer support, you get that one-on-one support, and I'll give you that for 30 days. So once you sign up, you've got me there in your pocket as basically your personal tech support for 30 days. As well as that Voxer support, I'll give you access to a course that I'm just releasing on how to use Kajabi the right way. So if you don't feel like, getting Voxer and talking to me and all of that stuff, this course will be really helpful to guide you through the first steps of getting to know Kajabi. It covers a lot of initial settings and shows you kind of where to look and what to change to make Kajabi really be the way that you want it to be for your business. And it also tells you how to use the features to accomplish the things you want, like start building your email list or setting up events or building your course. There's also some sections that go into the mechanics of how to actually, do things on the page. So this self-paced course would be really useful for anybody who is new to Kajabi and wanting to just get a little extra help learning the platform. Now, there's one more bonus that I give all of my referrals, and that's an initial strategy meeting where we get together virtually for about half an hour, and you can let me know what you want to do in Kajabi, what's drawing you to it, and then I can explain where in Kajabi you can do those things. Kajabi offers so many features, and it can be a little distracting at times. So this session is really designed to help you focus your time in Kajabi, knowing what features to use and what features you can set back on, put into the back burner in the short term. So those 3 bonuses are all things that I personally will do for you, as a thank you for choosing me as the person you're going to sign up to this promotion with. And because again, I receive that commission from Kajabi, and so I'm happy to, help you get the most out of this experience. And if Kajabi can become the tool for you to help you really excel in your business online, then that's great. And I'd love to be there to help you with that. So if you want more details about the promotion, You can go in the description to the links and get some details there and sign up. If you like more details about the bonuses that Kajabi is offering on each Friday, pop into the description and see what's been updated there. And if you want more details about the bonuses that I'll give you, head in the links again in the description. Yeah, guess what? That's where they are. And you can head to my website and get some more details about that. So that wraps up what's new with Kajabi right now. This promotion is live, 3 months for $99. It's a great deal. And if Kajabi has been on your radar, now could be a great time to sign up.